Out here chasing a leak. We got the pro, Santos.
Luke, what's going on?
We don't even need to drain the pool to check this one.
So far we've listened, and I think leak might be over there, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover all the returns, and then we're gonna listen again and do some dye. But at the moment, this is only phase one. We found the leak. We're currently at the big pool here. This is the probably what we have been told that this is the third biggest residential pool that there is. Currently, we found the leak in the spa return. Now what we want to do is we actually want to get a visual of what we saw. We heard it already. We heard it through the hydrophones, and we are penciling in that it might be on this return, spa return. Well, how we're gonna do is we're gonna do a visual. You guys will see, but we actually have our little secret pump here, and this is gonna create suction. And with suction, it's gonna create suction on the return. And then afterwards, we're gonna put our camera, and at that point, we can go ahead and trace the camera where the leak is at, where it bubbles. And at that point, we scan the camera, and we can see where the leak is at. You guys will see this procedure, but just so far, this is where we're at. And I think we're getting pretty close to actually identifying where the leak is at. So what we're doing is we're actually tapping into the return. As you can see, this is actually a return line, and we converted it into a suction, and we have our camera there. But we actually have the privilege. We're gonna introduce Happy here. So Happy, how long you been in the pool industry, and how long you been doing leak detection?
I started driving a dump truck when I was 18 years old, and I'm 72, and digging pools. And I've been doing bullseye leak detection for about 20 years. And I worked my way all the way up to supervising construction, and actually mostly repaired pools. Nice. During most of the years.
Nice. So yeah, we call Hap, and he's been giving us a lot of knowledge. He's almost more than 20 years of leak detection experience. So thank you, Hap, for being here. And we are a great team. We're doing this together, and give us a call, give us an opportunity.
Yeah. That's it right there. What is that? When you see that, is it a T?
No. It's gonna be the 90.
They got everything else I need, I think.